If you have been watching my videos for a long time, you probably know that UPSC has been a very big part of my life. You have seen me wake up at 4 a.m., you have seen me study for 10 hours, my study routines, my targets, my backlogs, my productive days. And honestly, when I look back at those videos, I realize how much of my life I gave to this one dream. But today, I'm going to tell you something I never thought I would say on this channel. I'm taking a break from UPSC preparation for the next 2 years. I know that's probably a little surprising, especially because after spending so much time preparing for something, the obvious question is why? Why now? Why take a break after coming this far? And I think I finally understand the answer myself. I started preparing for UPSC back in 2023. Initially, I was doing it alongside my college. I was studying, doing projects, learning technical stuff, preparing for exams, and somehow trying to manage everything together. Then I worked for a while after my graduation, and eventually, I made the biggest decision to quit my job and give UPSC my complete attention. I gave it one full year and I genuinely worked hard. I don't regret that because at that point in my life, I really wanted to give this dream everything that I had. But somewhere along the way, something changed. UPSC stopped being just an exam I was preparing for. It became the thing around which my entire day revolved. I would wake up thinking, okay, what I have to do today, what I have to finish today, which chapter is pending, how much polity is left, what do I have to revise, what about my backlog, and even when I went to sleep, I was thinking about what I had to do the next day, and it just became a cycle. And after some point, I realized that I wasn't really giving myself space to be anything else. Because, guys, the thing is, I'm actually a very curious person. I have always been like that. Even when I was a kid, I wanted to try different things. I always wanted to learn something new, to make things, to create things, do some art and craft, decorate things, journal, and I wanted to always explore. And even in my college, I tried learning multiple things, like I worked on technical projects, I learned different skills, received multiple awards. I did things that made me feel like, okay, this is another part of me, and it completed me as well. And now I'm realizing that I don't want to lose that person inside me. I'm at a stage in my life where I still have so many things I want to do. I want to learn, see, and explore. And I don't want to look back one day and realize that I spent all these years waiting for one single exam. I don't want to lose these years of my life seriously, because this is also important, like my dream, mental peace, stability, and honestly, I really think that I need that right now. I want to make one thing very clear. I'm not saying that UPSC is not important to me anymore, because it is. Like, it is still one of my dreams, but it's not my only dream. And I don't think I have to choose one dream and completely forget about everything else. I believe I can come back to UPSC, I can crack it, prepare again, give another serious attempt. I don't think I'm losing my chance by taking 2 years. Actually, more than the exam, I think I need my mental peace back. For a long time, I was constantly stressed about what I had to study, what I have to complete, and because I had left my job to prepare, there was also this pressure in my mind. I have to make this work, like I have given an year already, And what if I don't succeed, or what will I do? I don't think it's healthy for me to keep living in that constant pressure. So, this decision is not because I don't believe in myself. Actually, I think I believe in myself enough to know that I can take a different path for a while and still come back. After prelims 2026, I decided to take a step back, gave some time to myself, and started applying for multiple jobs. I thought about my career again, and slowly things started falling into place, and that's how I got a job at Amazon. So, right now, I'm going to work, build my career again, going to learn, meet new people, going to experience a different kind of routine. And honestly, I'm so excited. Most of you know me because of my UPSC videos, but now I want to show you my life outside UPSC. And maybe you are also at a point where you're questioning something in your own life. Maybe you have one big goal that you have been chasing for years and scared that if you take a break, it means you're giving up. I don't think that's always true. Sometimes we just need some time to breathe. We need to experience something else. You have to take care of yourself before you continue, and that's what I'm choosing to do. If you have been here since my UPSC journey, thank you for being here. And if you are new, well, I think you have joined at a pretty interesting time, because I have absolutely no idea what this next 2 years are going to look like. But I guess that's what we are going to find out together.